Hello, welcome back to JaiInfoway. Today we are diving deep into the technical landscape of our latest research, challenges in deploying AI agents. Transitioning autonomous systems from development to production is a multifaceted engineering challenge that goes far beyond simple code. First, data quality. Research indicates 85% of projects face critical issues with data silos, incompleteness, and inherent bias. We must navigate strict privacy compliance frameworks like GDPR and CCPA, often finding that standard anonymization techniques fall short. Then, integration. Merging modern agile agents with monolithic legacy infrastructure requires robust API architectures and middleware solutions. Scalability is critical. Real-time inference demands latency under 100 milliseconds. Orchestration via Kubernetes is essential to handle the load. Security vectors are evolving. From prompt injection to adversarial examples, the threat landscape is active, especially in multi-agent systems. We also face the black box problem. The lack of explainability in massive models creates a trust gap that interpretability tools are only beginning to bridge. And we cannot ignore the cost and operational gaps. High inference costs and a shortage of mature MLOps pipelines threaten sustainability. These are not just hurdles, they are the crucible where true innovation is forged. Overcoming them requires a strategic, technically rigorous approach. The future belongs to those who can solve these challenges. It's time to move beyond the hype and build systems that truly work. Stay ahead of the curve with JaiInfoway. Thank you for watching.